Hello everyone, welcome back to today's tutorial. So today I'm create for is the diving into essential concept in React props. So now understanding props in fundamental to building dynamic and the reusable component. Okay. So here first of all I am discussing the what is the React props. Okay. So prop are the argument passed into the React component and the props are passed to component via the HTML attribute. Okay. So the prop stand for the properties. So in this the React props are like a function argument in JavaScript and attribute in HTML. So to send prop into a component use the same syntax as HTML attribute. Okay. So here first I am is import the React library. So first I'm create the React and here I'm inserted from the React. Okay. So next line I am again create the React and here I am insert create the React DOM. Okay. And the DOM is inserted. So in this the brace now remove. Okay. So now here in this the React so I'm insert from the DOM and is also it's the client. Okay. So these are inserted and now first time use the function. Okay. So then I'm use the user. Okay. Is the user function and then create the parenthesis and here I'm insert the curly braces. So first of all I'm inserted the return type data. So first here you use the HTML tag. Okay. So now I'm insert from is hi. Suppose now I'm insert from my name. Okay. Suppose hi, my name is Alice Alisa. Okay. Then here I'm insert from is the first create the contact. Okay. So in this session I'm firstly create the contact and then create the root and is equal. Here I'm insert the DOM. It's the direct is the React DOM and then create the it's the create root. Okay. So now I'm first insert the document and insert the get element by ID. So now inserted the ID for single quotation is root. Okay. So now here is inserted and in this next line I'm just created. So first time create is the React is the create root and then I am create the root dot use the render method. Okay. Is the render and now create the parenthesis and last clone and now I'm insert. So here I'm use the user. Okay. Closing. So now in this code created. So here is the create root for the error. So now this session I fixed this problem. Okay, so now I am create for this the not space is the dot. Okay, so now is fix the problem and in this code now I am safe. Okay, and just going for the my browser. Okay, so here I am just refresh. So it is auto refresh. Is the hi, my name is Alisa. Okay, so in this the result are printed. So now next session I am create for the props. Okay. So here is the props for the short for the properties are a way to pass data from a parent component to a child component in React. Okay, so they allow us to make our component but dynamic and flexible. So let's see how it's work. Okay. So here I'm already created for in this the import file and here the user I am just use for the name is the props. Okay. And then create the props and Now I am change for in this the h1 tag, and here I am insert from is the hi is not inserted direct name. Okay, so now I am use for the props statement. Okay, so is the so it's not h, only Alice is removed. So here I am create the third braces, and now first time insert is the props dot name. Okay, and here is inserted, and now I'm going for in this the root dot render method. So here I'm user use for the name is equal is the double quotation inside I am create the name is the Alisa. Okay, so now here in this code completed and just save and just going for the my web browser. Okay, so here in this the result for is same match. Okay, it's already refreshes. So in this the name I'm insert perfectly. Okay, so now I'm used for the passing the props is as simple as adding the attribute to our component tags. Okay, so let's explore how we can pass different type of data our props. Okay, so first I'm insert the in this function the not user. Here I'm insert the its name. Okay, so just I'm name for is the Alisa, and now I create a parenthesis, and here I am first inside in this the return. So now is a remove. So first time create in this the less than greater than method. So first time insert is okay. So here not I am first insert the return. Okay, is the return, and create the parenthesis, and parenthesis inside I am create the opening and closing in this parenthesis, and here first time create is the h1. Okay, is the h1 tag and starting closing, and here I'm insert from is the I lived in Bangladesh. Okay, is Bangladesh, and now here I'm insert from is the person. Okay, so now I'm create is the person class is a person, and now here I'm insert the name is equal, so the name is the Alisa. Okay, and now I'm closing for in this the parenthesis. So now is the closing, and here it's are created, and just I'm going for in this the root, and here I'm insert from the name, only name is the Alisa. Okay, so here in this code created and just save and just going for the my browser. Okay, so here is the it's one error. So now first time create is a function is a return type. So here is the one. Now in this session I am mistakenly remove for the main the person classes. Okay, so now I am again created for in this the person class, the person function. So in this session inside, so first time create is the function, and then I am again inserted is the person, then is create the parentheses and the curly braces. So in this the person is the props. Okay, is the props, and then here I am create the curly braces, and then create the return for the parentheses. Okay, is the h1 tag. Okay, so I'm first is the return is the return, and create the h1 tag, and here I'm inserted the message for hi, my name is, and insert the curly braces, and first time create is the props dot name. Okay, and here is the inserted, and now I am again save for in this code. Okay, I'm just going for my web browser, and here is the printed for the result is perfectly working. Okay, I lived in Bangladesh and my name is the Alisa. Okay, so here in this code are perfectly, and now just I'm going for in this the props, and here I am insert from the age. Okay, so I am here return and create for the my name is, and now I am also inserted, so now comma and create the, and my age is, and here I am use the props method dot age. Okay, so here in this session created completed, and now I'm just going for the function is the Alisa, and here I am create is the construct. Okay, so now I'm create the construct, and here I'm use the my object. Okay, is the my object is equal. So now I create the curly braces, and here first time insert is the name. Okay, and clone. The name is, and create the Alisa Smith. Alisa just name is Neil. Okay, and then I am insert from the age for 24. Okay, so now insert created, and then going for the return, and here I'm insert from the is the name the lived in, so now person. So first time here is a person, then I'm insert from the my object. Okay, so is the my object, and then it's create, so now is my object dot name, and in this the name for Alice I am remove, and here first time inserted the age. Okay, and then is equal created the curly braces opening closing, and here I'm insert the my object dot age. Okay, so here it's created, and then in this the session for the constructor root. Okay, so the constructor root method, and now I'm just going for the my browser. Okay, so here is inserted the result for I lived in Bangladesh, and hi, my name is Alisa Anil and my age is the 24. Okay, so they perfectly printed the output. Okay, so here in this session for the React props are the conclude are the React. Okay, so the props are building blocks of the dynamic React application, allowing us to create versatile and reusable components. Okay, so thank you for watching.